What's up guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for being here. I have gotten requested to make a lot of trade recaps, so I'll try my best to do a lot of trade recaps for the next couple weeks coming, so I can keep everyone kind of notified and in the loop of what I'm doing and how I'm trading and all of that. And I myself like to keep myself accountable, so that way I don't do a lot of dumb mistakes. Today was a beautiful day that I got all the accounts kind of locked out, and this is an eval. I lost max loss on it, which is $1,000. So I do have that daily loss limit already set in place, because that account I already got it like probably in May or April. It's like really cheap whenever they launched Topstep X, so it was, I think it was like 19 bucks or something. So I just kind of like to trade it for fun, and I have been blowing this account over and over again just because I don't know, it just one days comes. Like, I can show you guys the progress on this. It's only 3 trading days. The first day I got a 1100, second day, which is yesterday, I got 500, and today I just locked it. It's pretty dumb. But I just don't care about it, you know? It's pretty cheap account. That's why I just YOLO in some dumb plays. But I'll get it. That's fine. Anyways, today was an amazing day to get chopped up pretty clean. I also like to make these videos, and I like making these videos so everyone can see, like, you're not alone in the same boat. Like, there's a lot of traders out there that lost or blew an account or whatever, just like you did. So I like to make these videos, although I lost today, but it's fine because someone else might find it kind of relieving that someone else kind of lost or took the same mistake or whatever. So we're all here to learn. The hardest thing about trading is being patient and waiting for the right setup, right? When you get FOMO when you enter in the wrong time or in a bad setup, not an A+ setup, you will get chopped up, you'll get eaten out by the market every single time. So where did I take the trade? Why did I lose my personal daily loss of $200? Pretty simple, pretty easy. I tried to trade right around market open, and that was the mistake. So what is this level right here? So on the 15 minutes here, this was my level that I marked out, and it is coming to the day I was bullish because the 4 hours was inversing. This gap was here inversed, and we were pushing the price higher to these bearish for value gaps. So my thought was that we're gonna keep pushing, and mark my word, for these equal highs up here, right? So came into the day I was bullish, but I was looking for what? I was looking for a manipulation or a trade to show up in a discount, and this is what that is. On the 15 minute time frame, I just saw as soon as we opened, we retraced to it. So this is 8:30 my time, this is market open, which is 9:30 New York time, but I am an hour behind, so that's why this is 8:30, not 9:30, but this is market open. We came down, retraced to the level that I have marked, which is the fair value gap on the 15 minutes, and we went and inversed that whole move, which to me was really good move, right? And I took the trade here, and I was targeting what? The data news high. So this is the Newsweek high. I was targeting it, and my stop loss, I had it somewhere in here, which is like 30 bucks. I kind of also over leveraged, considering my personal daily loss is small. So what ended up happening is I got stopped out at like 42, which is somewhere around here. So I had basically $28 of stop loss. So here's my execution. I got in at, it's pretty cool that Topstep also added colored execution instead of white, which is really good. So I got in on the 6.7, so 67 was somewhere around here, right? Around this level. So maybe right here. and my stop out was the 42, which is you see right here. And I got in with 4 micros. I think to myself now that this might be an over leverage, because technically what, guys, technically the inversion fair value gap kind of never failed right here when we're at this area. And I would of course would have put it at break even once we hit this high. I had it marked in my recording here. I can show you that really quick. Here's market open. So here's market open going down, and then retracing to my level here, and I saw it punching through the high and pumping higher. So I just got in. As you can see on the right here, it was 5. I turned it down 1 micro. I was like, let's go a little bit conservative here, maybe it will deep retrace down. And I've made the mistake of not going to break even. So this is also one of my mistakes, because technically the price already hit this high. So this is the next high that, whether we're bullish or bearish, we're going to hit it. And this was a safe target to put break even, but to my thoughts, this was like pretty close, and I wasn't going to put it break even. That's why I marked this level to go break even at. And as you see, that we kind of pumped a little bit here, but I just had a lot of conviction we're going higher, to be honest. This was kind of an equal highs up here, but it was not equal high on the MNQ, or not the MNQ, the NQ chart, but on the MNQ it was equal highs. That's why I did not mark it as equal highs. But yeah, I got in here, the market or the prices started to dance around, which I was not a big fan of, and then started to push lower and lower, and my stop loss did not, or my leverage with the personal daily loss that I had, was not able to save me there, because it was technically kind of like an over leverage with this amount of leverage, personal daily loss, and it all happened in seconds. So I'm not upset or anything. It's a mistake to learn from. And then I ended up going to my eval and kind of blowing that as well, because I was a bit emotional there. That's fine. I'm not a big fan of the choppiness price action today. All jokes aside, I did not like the price today at all, because the price did not deliver clean. Same thing with yesterday price action. Like, look at this. So yesterday I took a buy here. It was kind of a chase buy somewhere around here to the high of the news wick, right? After that, it did give a really good short here to that low, right? But look at this choppiness. I saw a couple people on YouTube taking some shorts around here, and they got chopped up pretty heavily. And recently, guys, I don't know if you noticed or not, the price has not been delivering efficiently for some reason, and I don't know why. Maybe it's around election time, that's how it is. But last year I was not trading on funded or eval. I was just trading on paper trading, or on paper trade account. That's why it probably did not hurt me, or I did not notice it as much. But definitely today was not delivering efficiently at all. And hindsight, I see that the second tap and second time comes around, the price came around and give this beautiful inversion. It would have been a beautiful trade, of course, right? Almost $100 move. But the thing with this is that you would absolutely get break even every single time, because look at this, the price already moved $30 of price action. So you can't tell me that the price will go $30 in your favor and without you scaling in or putting break even. You gotta have to put break even at some point, and just the price did not respect clean price action delivery, and it did not deliver efficiently with all this chop and just playing around. I was not a big fan of. Also, at 10 a.m. New York time, the next 4-hour candle that opened at 9 a.m. my time. We kind of manipulated down, and after disrespecting that bearish fair value gap, we pumped up here to that Newsweek, and that was the beautiful trade. But again, I was not kind of I didn't have any accounts by that time to trade it, and it's really hard to see that happen and not making any react on it. I'm not sure if I had it here recorded here or not. I don't think I had it recorded, but anyways, or let me see that one. So that trade entry was on the eval, and then I lost. Yeah, I don't think I have it recorded here. But yeah, guys, if you lost today, no hard feelings. Don't get upset. That's fine. It's the game of trading. My account is still healthy as long as I am managing risk properly, and that's the number one thing about tough days in trading days. You have to manage your risk properly, and you have to have personal daily loss sit in place for any bad days that comes around, to not blow your account. And take me as an example, right? You see my funded accounts, I care about them a lot. That's why I have a personal daily loss set in place of $200. Look at this account, the eval account. I don't give a crap about this trading account because it's cheap. Number one, is cheap, and I want to have it to stick around with me so I can take dumb ideas and put all of my negative emotions out there in this trading combine account, because I don't care about it, and I don't even have personal daily loss on it. But today, just because I went on tilt and blew my daily loss on it, I went and I went in here and I did put $500 right here, but I don't know where what happened to it. I guess it doesn't save. Yeah, it doesn't save when you already blew it, so that is fine. I still have room to go. I'm not really rushed on passing this account, and I don't care about it. And even if I lose it, I'll wait for the next rebill that comes around and just keep playing with it, honestly. My funded accounts is the one that I really care about, and so far I love, like yesterday I got almost 400 bucks and those two losing days, so I'm kind of technically still green for the week. Friday, tomorrow, it's usually good day for me. Like as you can see here, most profitable day is Friday, so to me Friday is really good, really good. So I hope I can make all my losses tomorrow, and I'll update you, of course. I don't know what we have for tomorrow. September, no, that's not it. CPI, that's not a CPI, that's PPI. Okay, we have consumer sentiment at 9, so we'll see what the price will show us. Hopefully we get cleaner price action and more efficient delivery, and that's all basically for today's video, guys. I hope you find it helpful information. I'm going to start doing a lot of trade recaps, because I've gotten a lot of people in the Google forums, the last Google form that I've done, asking me about trade recaps, and apparently they find helpful information from it. So if you find helpful information from my trade recap, what my bias was for the day and all of that, and taking my entries, whether they're losses or wins, and if you can relate about my emotions, whatever, being frustrated about the price not delivering efficiently or getting chopped up. I mean, that's why we make these videos, to kind of like talk about it in maybe in the comments below or on Discords, and just to get it out there so you're not the only one in that boat, because a lot of people out there, I myself, I'm making YouTube videos and whatever, and I always give you a lot of good stuff, and maybe you see me as the best trader ever there, but I mean, all traders make mistakes. Trading is easy, but it's what's hard is following your rules, mentality, psychology, and risk management. So if you get those down, you're going to be the best trader. Other than that, its strategy is not enough. Waiting and being patient is not enough. So that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.